Advanced features to protect your business from ransomware and business email compromise, BEC, attacks, as announced by Microsoft 365 Defender, are now available in public preview. These automatic disruption features leverage high-confidence extended detection and response, XDR, signals across endpoints, identities, email, and SaaS apps to detect and contain the active security attacks. The three-stage process of the automation helps to quickly disrupt the attack and give SOC teams more time to deploy additional countermeasures to contain impact. Microsoft is well aware of any concerns that come with automation and has used high-fidelity XDR signals with insights from continuous research of thousands of incidents to ensure the trustworthiness of the process. To protect your business from ransomware and BEC attacks, as well as other cyber threats, training your employees on phishing and setting up a reliable backup system should be done first and foremost. Additionally, investing in an antivirus, firewall, and multi-factor authentication are recommended. Additionally, the use of malware removal tools can also help. Microsoft 365 Defender has taken steps in helping to reduce the impact of ransomware and BEC attacks, but it's still necessary to take basic precautions to protect your business. Stay up to date and informed with all the news, opinion, features and guidance with Tech Radar Pro's newsletter.